Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best and most comfortable safety toe boots on the market, the Dunlop Protective Footwear Chesapeake Plain Toe Black Boots. If you've been searching for a pair of industrial boots that combine durability, waterproof protection, and lightweight comfort, this might just be the perfect option for you. These boots are proudly made in the USA, which already sets a high standard for quality and craftsmanship. One of the standout features of the Dunlop Chesapeake boots is their construction using 100% waterproof PVC. This means you can confidently wear them in wet or muddy conditions without worrying about water seeping in. Whether you're working in agriculture, construction, or just need reliable waterproof boots for everyday heavy-duty jobs, these boots are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable all day long. Despite their solid protective nature, these boots are surprisingly lightweight, up to 25% lighter than traditional PVC boots. This lightweight design is a game changer, especially if you're on your feet for long hours. It reduces fatigue and makes moving around easier without compromising on durability or protection. The sole material is synthetic rubber, which features an energy-absorbing Bay-Lock outsole. This outsole not only provides excellent slip resistance but also channels water away effectively, adding an extra layer of safety on slippery surfaces. Comfort is key with the Dunlop Chesapeake boots. They come with replaceable economy cushion insoles that add to the overall comfort, making it easier to wear them throughout your workday. The pull-on closure design means you can quickly put them on or take them off, which is handy when you're in a hurry or dealing with dirty work environments. These boots are versatile and ideal for many different applications. If you're working in orchards, vegetable fields, citrus groves, or other agricultural settings, the Chesapeake boots offer the durability and protection you need. They are also great for industrial and construction environments, providing a robust boot that can stand up to tough conditions without weighing you down. One more thing worth noting is the sizing. Dunlop provides a clear size chart to help you find the perfect fit, so you don't have to guess or deal with uncomfortable boots. Getting the right size means you'll experience maximum comfort and support. In summary, the Dunlop Protective Footwear Chesapeake boots combine lightweight design, waterproof technology, and solid construction to deliver a boot that works hard and feels great. They offer excellent slip resistance, comfort with cushion insoles, and durability for heavy-duty tasks. If you need reliable safety toe boots that won't slow you down, these are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of top products. Until next time, stay safe and comfortable on the job.